Oh, you're in for a treat today. We're making spicy gochujang cream scallops and shrimp. And let me tell you, this dish is creamy, spicy, and so good it'll make you question every other seafood recipe you've ever had. First things first, let's talk scallops. You want them dry, like just spill the tea and now pretending nothing happened, dry. Grab a paper towel and pat them down. Same goes for the shrimp. This ensures we get that beautiful golden sear. Now heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. When it's hot enough to make you second guess your life choices if you touch it, gently place the scallops in. 2 minutes per side, no touching, no poking. Let them do their thing and develop that gorgeous crust. Take them out and set them aside. Next up, the shrimp. Add a little more oil, toss them in, and cook for about a minute per side until they turn that perfect pink color. Don't overcook them unless you're in the mood for seafood flavored rubber bands. Remove and set aside. Now let's get to the magic, the sauce. In the same pan, drop in some butter and minced garlic. Let that sizzle until your kitchen smells like a fancy restaurant. Then in goes the gochujang, soy sauce, honey, and a little red pepper flakes if you like things extra spicy. Stir it all together and let it cook for about 30 seconds, just enough to wake up all those bold flavors. Time to bring in the heavy cream, yes, the good stuff. Pour it in, stir, and let it simmer for 2 minutes until it gets all luscious and dreamy. If you're not already drooling, you might want to check your taste buds. Now return those beautifully seared scallops and shrimp to the pan. Gently toss them in the sauce, making sure they're fully coated in all that creamy, spicy goodness. Let them cook for 1 more minute so they can soak up the flavors. Final touches: a drizzle of sesame oil, a sprinkle of green onions, and a few sesame seeds because we're fancy like that. Serve it over steamed rice, noodles, or even crusty bread to soak up every last drop of that sauce. And there you have it, spicy gochujang cream scallops and shrimp. One bite and you'll understand why this dish is straight up dangerous. Full written recipe, you already know where to go. kelvinskitchen.com. Now go make this and thank me later.